Anest Iwata Australia has been supplying premium quality spray equipment to the local market for more than 50 years and is backed by the global Anest Iwata Corporation, which has been making air compressors since 1926. So when you hear the name Anest Iwata, you know you're getting local management supported by global strength. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Anest Iwata Australia's product range includes lubricated compressors, reciprocating piston machines from 2 horsepower to 10 horsepower, and lubricated screw machines from 4 kilowatts to more than 150 kilowatts, manufactured in Europe, designed to suit the rugged Australian climate. The Anest Iwata Australia product lineup also includes Class 0 oil-free scroll compressors, a technology pioneered and patented by Anest Iwata for hospital, medical and research laboratory markets. The company is not only an equipment supplier, it can also install the products, provide program maintenance services and offer a 24/7 repair service. No matter what compressed air solution you require, please visit anestiwata.com.au or call them 1300 888 097. And thanks for watching.